What up, guys? So recently I saw this Meta Earth coin on their P2P and also withdraw some USDT into my own personal wallet, and I posted this on my Telegram and WhatsApp group, and I got a lot of DM from people asking me how I did it, how I sold, how I was able to make the withdrawal. And that is why I decided to make this video, and I'll be showing you guys in this video a step-by-step guide on how to get it all done by yourself. All you have to do is just to follow this video, watch carefully, and pay attention to every single details till the end, and you know how to do it by yourself. Alright, so first of all, I would like to say, if you are not yet on this application and you want to hop on it, you can do that right now because it is completely free, and the link is in the description of this video. Just go down there, click on it, and you can get your account registered. And you need to make a verification, do your KYC, so that you can have access to all that section of the application, and you also have access to withdrawing and using the P2P. Alright, so it's very important to do your KYC. I made a video of how to get started, how to create your account, how to do all the most important things on this platform. I did that in a previous video, and I'm going to leave that video in the description of this video, and also going to pop up on the top right corner of the video. Click it, watch it, and understand and do it by yourself. All right, now quickly, in order for us to be able to use the P2P and sell what we've been mining on this platform for free, all you need to do is to go ahead, click on wallet. Click on wallet first of all to be sure you know how much you have in your wallet. First of all, click on it. All right, I have about 4 here, and I would like to sell maybe like 2 or 3 this time around. So all you need to do is to click on explore. Click on explore right here. That's where you can visit the P2P. All right, so once you get to the explore page this way, you have to do this checking every day. All right, so once you get to the explore page this way, scroll down this way, you can see down here it says ME transaction, this place right here. Click on it. That's the ecosystem tab. You click on it, it's going to take you straight to where you can do the P2P. And on the P2P, you will need to also sign in again using the same details you used in creating your account on the main platform. All right, so in order for it to be easy for you to get access, just use the Me Pass, which is down here. Click on it. Click on Me Pass, which is right here. It's going to automatically initiate a sign. You need to sign a contract with the application. So let me just wait for this to happen. All right. Okay, so I'm going to click on connect right here. It's going to connect. All right, authorization successful. I'm going to close this and probably check again on the P2P. Go back this way, go there. All right, so you can see I'm all logged in right now. I'm logged in already, instantly logged in. All right, so in order for you to be able to sell, you will need to first of all scroll and see the prices at which people are buying right here. All right, so you can see this person is buying for $6, $6.8, $6.7, and this is 4.3 USDT and so on. So everyone with their price right here. Remember, this is on the P2P. It's left for you to check out which one you can sell with. All right, okay, I'm gonna go this way. So I think I'm going to go with this one here that says 4.3, because first of all, you have to check they have limit for selling. This person is selling the limit of from 250 to 500. All right, this is from 300 to 600. All right, so I'm just gonna go with this one that has 1 to 2. All right, so he's selling, the limit is 1 to 2. All right, so I'm going to sell to this person at 4.3 USDT. Click here, click on sell, click on sell. All right, 4.3 USDT, and I'm going to I will sell the amount. I'm going to write the amount right here I want to sell. I think I'm going to sell just 2. I want to sell just like 2, or let's make it 3. All right, 3. All right, no, I'm going to sell 2. His limit is 1 to 2, so I'm just going to put 2 there. Okay, 2. Okay, that means I'll be getting 8.6 USDT from this person. Then you have to take your time to read this thing so that you don't make mistakes, you don't do any errors. All right, click on confirm this. Yes, required deposits, you have to pay like 2.04 MEC token. All right, confirm this. I'm going to confirm the that's going to be for the gas fee anyway, the 0.4. okay, now I'm going to click on go to authorize. It's going to go back to the application, connect this. Click on connect. I'm going to connect this. Okay, it was successful. Again, it was successful one more time. Okay, I'm just going to go back again Let's see what's happened next. Okay, very good. All right, so I'm just going to wait for the buyer to accept so that I can go ahead and send mine to. He's going to provide his own wallet address that I'm going to send the MEC to. Then he will be able to make my payment for me, and I'll be able to cash out my my USDT. All right, so I'm just going to wait a bit for the wallet to be provided for me. So in case the buyer is delaying, you can also write the person quickly. Go back again. So I waited for so long and the time is out, so the order has been cancelled. So I think maybe because of the time I'm trying to make this transaction, it's actually 2 a.m. midnight. A lot of people are already sleeping, so I'm going to wait a little bit and initiate this transaction one more time. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it. So I just initiated another transaction and this buyer has already accepted. You can see it here, buyer accepted. All right, so I'm now what I'm going to do now is to copy this address, this wallet address. So you have to go back to the application. We've copied the address, so we'll go back to the application and make this transaction. We have to make this transaction quickly. I'm going to click on wallets or click on send because we are sending. Then you paste that same wallet address we copied from there. Okay, then you write the amount. I'm going to write 2.04. remember the 04 is for the fee, the gas fee. All right, so I'm going to click on next so that we can complete this. Memo is optional. Okay, we'll click confirm this. I'm going to put my password. All right, I just did that successfully. I wait for this to transaction to be successful. Then I'll go back to the other side, to the P2P side, and I will confirm that I've made this payment. Quickly, let's do that. Okay, payment was successful. You can see it right here, everything successful. Now quickly, let's go back to the P2P platform. So I've made the payment successfully. All right, I'm supposed to see something here that where I'm going to click is going to say paid. All right, but it's not available. Okay, what I'm going to do now is to chat up the person by clicking here, chat here. All right, please send me okay. All right, so I'm the person asking for Binance UID, but this is my discussion with the buyer of my MEC token, all right, on the P2P platform. So I'm discussing with the person, and now we've concluded that he's going to send it to my Bybit through. I just sent him my Bybit UID. He's going to send me my funds to my Bybit. So I'll be showing you that once I get it in my wallet, on my Bybit account. I'll be showing you the funds right there. All right, so I got the 8.2 USDT in my Bybit account, and all I have to do was just to come back here and click on I have received button down here, and it was okay and successful. All right, so I just told the buyer that fine, I got my money and done, so that is just how you can sell your ME coin on their P2P, and you can withdraw into your own personal wallet. You can see over here the transaction said order completed, so everything was successful. I got my 8.2 USDT in my wallet. That is it on your screen right there. All right, from my Bybit wallet. All right, so that's just how you can sell with this platform. All right, so if you are mining on the application, on the ME, on the Meta Earth coin application, you should make sure you take it serious and do it every single day, guys. You can mine and also stake if you want to earn some more. Stake what you are mining. That's just how you earn with this platform. And remember, guys, I got all this for completely free. I didn't pay a dime. It's completely free, guys. So if you're interested, the link's in the description of this video. Hop on it and get started right away and start mining for free. Mine the MEC token for completely free, guys. The link is down there. Hop on it. So if you like what I showed in this video, please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share with your friends. Those who are also on this project, share with them so that they can know how to do this by themselves. So if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.